Welcome to a new perspective on personal finance. Today we're going to delve into a topic that holds the key to achieving your financial goals: frugal living. We're not talking about miserly penny pinching, but smart strategic decisions that can save you money. We'll be sharing 10 practical tips that you can seamlessly integrate into your daily life. Saving money doesn't have to be a struggle, it's about making informed choices. So, are you ready? Let's dive into these 10 frugal living tips to help you save money. If you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Firstly, we talk about budgeting. A cornerstone of frugal living is the creation and adherence to a budget. It's like a roadmap for your finances, guiding you towards your financial goals. By having a budget, you can keep track of where your money is going, and more importantly, where it's being wasted. Picture this. You've been buying that $5 coffee every morning. It may not seem like a lot, but add it up over a month, and you're looking at an expenditure of $150. That's a potential saving of $1,800 over a year just by cutting out a small daily cost. So, start with a budget. Identify areas of unnecessary spending and cut them out. You'll be amazed at how much you save. Remember, a budget is not a restriction, but a financial plan that leads to freedom. Next, we explore the realm of meal planning. Now, who doesn't love a good meal? But frequent takeouts can burn a hole in your pocket and also aren't the healthiest choice. Here's where meal planning steps in. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can save a significant amount of money. How? Well, buying in bulk is often cheaper. Plus, you can plan meals around sales and discounts at your local grocery store. Say goodbye to food waste as well. With a set plan in place, you'll know exactly what to buy and nothing goes to waste. As a bonus, you can plan for healthier meals. It's a win-win, right? Your body and your wallet both stay in shape. Meal planning isn't just about saving money, it's about making conscious choices that benefit your health and your budget. With meal planning, you eat well and save more. Moving on, we embrace the do-it-yourself approach. Now it's time to don that handyman hat and get creative. Simple home projects, whether it's minor repairs or creating unique homemade gifts, can be a great way to save money. Think about it. Why pay a professional for something you can do yourself with a little time and effort? Imagine fixing that leaky faucet or painting your bedroom. Not only does it save you dollars on labor, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment. And what about those special occasions? Instead of buying ready-made gifts, consider creating something with your own hands. A homemade candle, a knitted scarf, or even a baked treat can make a much more meaningful gift than something bought from a store. Remember, the DIY approach is not just about saving money, it's about adding a personal touch to your life. You're not just building a shelf or knitting a scarf, you're creating memories. DIY not only saves money but also adds a personal touch. Our fourth tip is all about energy efficiency. Now, who wouldn't want to save a few bucks while doing something good for the planet? Adopting energy-efficient practices is a simple yet effective way to cut down on your monthly expenses. Start by assessing your home. Are your appliances energy efficient? If not, consider investing in those that are. Yes, they may cost a bit more upfront, but the long-term savings on your utility bills will certainly outweigh the initial cost. What about your daily practices? Do you turn off lights when you leave a room? Do you unplug electronics when they're not in use? Little changes like these can make a big difference over time. And let's not overlook the environmental benefits. By using less energy, we reduce the demand for harmful fossil fuels. So, by being energy efficient, you're not just saving money, you're also contributing to a healthier, more sustainable world. Being energy efficient is good for your pocket and the planet. Halfway through, we delve into the world of secondhand shopping. Now let's debunk a common misconception. Secondhand doesn't mean second best. From clothing to furniture, buying items secondhand can provide the same utility at a fraction of the cost. We live in a world where the value of an item is often erroneously tied to its price tag. However, the true value should be derived from its utility. A well-maintained, pre-loved leather jacket can provide the same warmth as a brand new one, but at a significantly lower price. Likewise, a vintage wooden table can add the same rustic charm to your living room as a new one, without breaking the bank. Secondhand shopping is not just about being thrifty, it's about being smart. It's about understanding that the worth of an item is not diminished just because it has been used before. Secondhand shopping is a treasure hunt where you save money. Moving on, we talk about public transportation. It's not just a means to commute, it's a way to save. Consider this. Owning a car comes with so many hidden costs. You've got your monthly payments, insurance, maintenance, and let's not forget about gas. It all adds up. But what if you could avoid all those costs? That's where public transportation comes in. Buses, trains, trams, they're all there to get you from point A to point B without breaking the bank. And if public transport isn't your thing, consider carpooling. It's a great way to share the costs and even make some new friends along the way, but the benefits aren't just financial. By opting for public transportation or carpooling, you're also doing your part for the environment. Fewer cars on the road means less carbon emissions, leading to a cleaner, greener planet. Public transportation, a step towards a greener wallet and a greener world. Our 7th tip revolves around free entertainment. You might be surprised at the wealth of free entertainment options right at your doorstep. Let's start with the great outdoors. From hiking, biking, to simply walking in the park, nature provides a myriad of opportunities for fun and relaxation at zero cost. Next, consider local community events. Many towns and cities host free concerts, art exhibitions, and cultural festivals. These can be a great way to immerse yourself in your local community, learn something new, and have a great time, all without spending a dime. Don't forget about the internet. From educational podcasts to hilarious cat videos, the World Wide Web is a treasure trove of free entertainment. And finally, consider starting a book club or a movie night with friends. These are not only free, but also a great way to strengthen your social bonds. Free entertainment, because the best things in life are free. Next, we tackle the impulse buying habit. This is a common pitfall even for the most disciplined among us, and can be a significant drain on your finances if left unchecked. But don't worry, there are strategies to help curb this habit. One of the most effective methods is making a shopping list and sticking to it. A list provides a clear plan of what you need, eliminating the possibility of wandering aimlessly through aisles and succumbing to whimsical purchases. It's a simple yet powerful tool for disciplined spending. Another strategy is to give yourself a cooling off period. If you see an item you want but don't need, wait a day or two before making the purchase. Often you'll find that the urge to buy has passed. Finally, always question the necessity of the item. Do you really need it, or is it just a want? By distinguishing between needs and wants, you can avoid unnecessary spending, avoid impulse buying, and watch your savings grow. Our 9th tip is about regular maintenance. Here's a thought to keep in mind. A stitch in time saves 9. This old saying rings true, especially when it comes to frugal living. Consider your household appliances and your vehicle. These are investments you've made for your comfort and convenience. But like all investments, they need to be taken care of. Regular maintenance of your appliances and vehicle can prevent costly repairs in the future. For instance, regular servicing of your car ensures it runs efficiently, saving you on fuel costs and unexpected garage bills. Likewise, cleaning your refrigerator coils or replacing the filters in your air conditioner can help these appliances run more efficiently, saving you on utility bills. It's not just about saving money on repairs and energy costs. Regular maintenance also extends the lifespan of your items, meaning you won't need to replace them as often. Regular maintenance, the secret to long-lasting items. Finally, we talk about building an emergency fund. This is essentially your financial safety net for those rainy days. Think of it as a personal insurance policy against life's unpredictable events, a sudden job loss, an unexpected medical bill, or even a major car repair. The beauty of an emergency fund is that it provides peace of mind. You can sleep better at night knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. It's not about if these things will happen, it's about when they will happen. And when they do, you won't need to resort to credit cards or loans. You'll already have the cash on hand to cover your unexpected expenses. So, how do you build this fund? Start small. Set aside a bit of money each month. Even a small amount can add up over time. It doesn't matter how slow you go, as long as you don't stop. An emergency fund, your safety net in uncertain times. And there you have it, 10 frugal living tips to help you save money. From budgeting to building an emergency fund, each step is designed to maximize your savings. Embrace meal planning, DIY projects, and energy efficiency. Shop secondhand, utilize public transportation, and enjoy free entertainment. Avoid impulse buying and maintain your belongings regularly. These frugal habits can lead to significant savings and a more sustainable lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep saving.